The secret of the most delicious chicken that will melt in your mouth, delicious recipe and super easy to make. For our recipe, we will need 500 grams of chicken breast. I will cut all this chicken into slices, the way I am showing. I will beat these slices well with a hammer, so they get even softer. This chicken is delicious, it's very easy, and I'm sure that if you do it, everybody will love this recipe. And on top of all the chicken, I will add 3 tablespoons of flour, and spread it well. I will turn all the slices, to add the flour on the other side. Now in a pan, I will add 3 tablespoons of margarine and some olive oil. And when the margarine is already melted, I will add all our chicken to fry. Enjoy and tell me where you are watching us from. I want to thank you for following our recipes, and send you a super special kiss. And when one side of the chicken is golden, I will turn all of them over to brown the other side. To continue, I'm going to add 200 ml of milk. Salt to taste. A teaspoon of black pepper. And a teaspoon of oregano. I will cover the pan and let this chicken cook on low heat for 10 minutes. And if you watched this video until here, it is a sign that you are enjoying our recipe, so leave your like and put it here below. I love milk. And our recipe is ready. Now you can enjoy it. We would like you to rate our recipe from 0 to 10, so we know how it is going. We would love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching so far.